Cooking challenge. Are you ready? Cooking challenge.
Hi there, welcome to Kapow Learning, and today is a very special Kapow because it's a Kapow cooking challenge. So this is for Babe Mut, freebie 1, and Babe Hi, freebie 2. What is the cooking challenge? Well, it's going to be a fruit salad. Boom! Boom! Right, so now we're going to make the fruit salad. But the fruit salad, no, we don't have tomatoes, we don't have cheese, we don't have, lettuce leaves or anything like that. We've got fruit and we're going to combine it. So look at this, we've got banana oh la la. I like it. So we're going to put some bananas in. So put that in there. Then we are going to put our strawberries in there. Now this is quite a lot. It might not look a lot, but this will feed quite a lot of people. This is the great thing about a fruit salad. Healthy and quick. Okay, now blueberries, there's quite a lot there. So I'm going to come in a bit closer so you can see. I'm trying to basically have it so it's fairly even. Now, if you like a lot of berries, you can put more berries in. So obviously keep it tidy, but obviously your mama and your papa can do all the washing afterwards. Then I'm going to put my apple in. Oh, it's bounced on the floor. So I'm going to put my apple in. So if we look at that there, we've got apple, strawberries, berry, banana, oh la la. So then what you do, obviously I'm not going to eat it in this metal bowl. This is just easier to mix it. So I'm going to get my nice yogurt. You can use any yogurt you want. You could obviously use strawberry chocolate. I'm trying to be healthy, so I'm just going to mix that in. Okay, now once I mix that in, again, you can decide how much yogurt you want in. You might want more than that. Now, another good thing that I like to just sneak in is a bit of cinnamon. Okay, so this is really good. This will just give it a nice, spicy, but not too strong mix. And again, you mix in how much you want. So now I've done that. We're almost finished. The great thing about a fruit salad, you can eat this in the morning, for lunch, or in the evening. Now I've got some nuts. If we look at these nuts here, you've got this. I bought a mixture like walnuts, cashew nuts, and sunflower seeds and things like that. And you can put some in there. That adds a bit of a crunch. Okay, so we'll do that. And just to add a bit more flavour to it, I've got a bit of honey. So again, you don't need to put honey in. You could, now some children might want to put a bit of chocolate in there, chocolate. You can, but Mr. Chris is trying to be healthy because I've got a jelly belly. I've just been to Japan, Japano, Kyoto, and all these cool places. So I need to lose a bit of weight. So have a look at this here. Now I've mixed it, okay? So let's do the next part. Woo! Woo! The final part is all mixed. It smells great. I can smell a bit of the cinnamon. And we've got honey in there. So really healthy, really quick. And you can make this and have it for maybe 1 or 2 days, okay? And you could put lemons in there, you can put raisins in there, any ingredients. Try to be healthy though, because I've got a jelly belly. So now, the reason why Miss Chris has put it in a big bowl like this, it just means I can then put it into my bowl. So here we go. So this is now, as they say, plate it up in a restaurant. So we're going to push that in there, and it's really good, the smells and everything like that. And then, what I'm going to, see, I'm going to try and eat this because Liverpool are playing in about 30 minutes and I hope they win. So, now for the ending, you could just have it like that. I've got a bit of cacao powder here, so I'm just going to basically, again, this is healthy, just dust that over. Put a little bit of nuts on top of that to add a bit of colour, if you wish. And again, what I am going to do, I'm just going to drizzle just a bit of honey, because I do like honey. And honey is actually healthy, actually. So there you have it. So very quick, very healthy. You can have that in school or at home. Make your own. Right, so that's it. That is a Kapow cooking challenge, a fruit salad. Can you do one better than Mr. Chris's? Boom! Boom! Right, so very quickly, you need to record your video. You need to speak. You can put music in, but the most important thing, this is a speaking challenge. So I want you to cook your healthy fruit salad. Okay? And you've got 1 week to do it.
Cooking challenge. Are you